I'm doing something very, very bold. I'm going into the water with the camera on.
Whoa! A little deep now. See? See that right there? Whoa! Cool. A little deep. Okay. This is deep. Take a look. Hey guys. Can I have booty? Can I have a booty? Can I have a booty cake? No, don't spray the camera. This Rainbow Tower. The beach. Okay, here we go again. Down. Can't get any better than that. Kanoa right there. Cold Kanoa.
And that's what I'm talking about. The bearing's in there. We're gonna have to do it. Let's go.